welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today we have this great recipe, pork ribs. These are the fresh pork ribs, and we also have onions, and we have garlic, and we also have celery. So watch out how I am going to braise these pork ribs. And please, if you are new on my channel, you are very welcome, and please subscribe to the channel. And all my returning subscribers, thank you, and all my subscribers, thank you all. And please watch out and see how we're gonna make these delicious pork ribs. So this is the pork ribs. Right away we just have to cut it open and start the slicing. Just follow up with the line. These are all the line. Just follow up with it. It's very easy. So you see, this is the ribs. So right away you just start to cut them. Follow the line, you can see. So follow up with the line. It's very easy to do. Same way. That is it. So this is how you cut it. Very easy. Always follow up with the line, so it will be more easier for you. This is it. You see? Now I have to recut everything. Then and we just do it like this. You can cut them half, depends on how you want them to be. So I'm gonna just do it this way. So please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. After the cutting now, I will just wash everything and we start the cooking. These are the pork ribs, already washed, and right away we're just going to start with all the ingredients we're going to be using for these pork ribs. So right away we have all these ingredients set for the marinating. Right now we're going to be adding turmeric first. That's turmeric we're going to be adding. We're going to be adding sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar. This is brown sugar. And we're going to be adding salt, a little bit of salt. And we're going to be adding Italian spices. Everything is here with ginger. All the herbs and ginger mixed together. We had that, and a little bit of chili pepper, a little bit, 1 teaspoon. And we're going to be adding garlic. This is garlic chopped in big size. So those are all the garlic. And now we have to start the mixture, but before then we're going to add a little bit of soy sauce. And these are the soy sauce. Just add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then now we just mix everything together, marinate everything together. After the marination, we just have to let it rest for at least some few minutes, at least 10 minutes, before we start to braise it. So this is how it will look after you marinate it. This is how it will look. So wash out, and please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. So these are the pots we're going to be using for the braising. Right away, we're just going to add this marinated pork ribs into this cooking pot. See, we have to braise it. Right now we have just a little bit of water, just a little bit, and we had all the onions, all the diced onions, and the celery. These are all the celery. So right now we just cover it up and let it cook for a few minutes before we go to the other step. Please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. So this is the time to check. It's going well. So we just have to let it cook for at least another 10 minutes before we will start the main garnishing, before we take it to the oven. So we just have to let all the ingredients penetrate very well to this very succulent pork ribs. So this is the ribs. It's already cooked. We just have to let it stay for some few minutes before we finish the rest of the cooking. So right now, wash out and see how I am going to make this barbecue sauce with it. So it's time to take out all the ribs. See, these are all the ribs. You have to take them out before we'll start with the barbecue sauce. If today is your first time on my channel, you are very welcome. All we do here is cooking, and if you have any suggestion or anything you want to ask about, you can leave it on the comment section, and do me a favor to share this video and also like. So this is the ribs, it's ready, and now we have to start adding barbecue sauce. So all the ingredients we need on this ribs is already inside this ribs. So right away, the only ingredient we're going to be adding now is the sauce called barbecue sauce. These are the sauce. It's called barbecue sauce. You can add as much as you want, the quantity you want to add. So this is it. All you just have to do is still continue like the way you marinated it before. Just mix everything together the same way, and after it, you let it sit for at least 2 to 5 minutes before we put it, arrange it on a rack and put them in the oven. So this is how to make your pork ribs. Very simple and very easy to do, and it's so delicious. So this is it now. So right now we just have to put more if you want. This is 1 cup of barbecue sauce, not too much. If you don't like the taste, you want it to be a little bit spicy, you can have spices more, like hot chili pepper, or you add a little bit of lemon. So this is it, and it's marinated. So please subscribe to this channel, and I will show you when I will start arranging it on a tray to put in the oven. So this is the tray. I already put parchment paper. So right now I just have to add these very delicious pork ribs to the tray so that I can go to the oven. away. Just arrange it well to go into the oven. This is how you make your pork ribs, braised pork ribs. It's so tasty and delicious. This is it. Succulent, and it will be falling off from the bone. This is how you make it. So right now it's going to the oven. We're just gonna go to the oven. Thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. So this is the barbecue ribs. So these are the pork ribs. It's ready. Oh my god, can you see how succulent these ribs looks? This is so wonderful. This is it. You can see how succulent and delicious this rib is. Please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show, so you can see how I make my daily meals. Wow, this is so good. Oh my god, these are the ribs, and you are all welcome to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. Thank you all, and I will see you with another delicious cooking. Bye for now, and please subscribe and share this video, and also give me a thumbs up. Bye.